truck. Look how clean it is. Oh, got rid of the Power Stroke, traded it even for this truck right here. Y'all check it out. All right, guys, as y'all can see from the intro, got a new truck today. Got rid of those Super Duty. I think this truck's it's gonna be good for the channel. It really is, guys. It's gonna be a better build than the Super Duty. A lot better. Let y'all look at the lake over here. Before I show y'all the truck, guys, I'll tell you, y'all gonna be in love with this truck. In love. This truck is awesome. It's right there. Right over there. Next, show it to y'all just here in a minute, guys. I'm gonna keep this video short. I mean, Super Duty is diesel, 11-inch lift, 4-wheel drive, crew cab. Man, this truck is a lot better. A lot better truck for the channel. One of the best built Super Duty job. This truck come along, I fell in love with it. I really did. I'm about to tear up just thinking about it, just talking about it. That's how awesome this rig is. Y'all can tell I'm sweating like a pig. It is hot out here today. Y'all look at the lake again before I show y'all the truck. Oh, guys. I can't wait for y'all to see this truck. It's awesome. Super Duty, no more. It's gone. Out of here. Traded it off. Oh, and my four-wheeler. I had to throw my four-wheeler in the boot to get this truck. Yep, the old $150 Big Bear. It's gone. Had to get rid of her. Alright, guys. I guess I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the truck now. Alright. Here's the truck, guys. Alright, guys, there y'all go. There's the truck. Had to get rid of the Super Duty and a four-wheeler to get it. But look at her, guys. It's going to be a lot better fit. It really is for the channel. It really is, guys. And if anybody thinks I really traded my truck for that, you're crazy. We picked that up today. It's going to be an old beater. Yes, yes. The title was clickbait. No, I did not get rid of the Super Duty. Super Duty's not going nowhere. Oh. But guys, I got more in my four-wheeler than I got in this truck. Good, clean interior. As you can tell. It's an old truck, so it's got some kinks we got to work out. But it's going to be an old beater without a heater, because the heater fan don't blow. And it's got a brake sticking on the front. Excuse me, throttle position sensor I think is bad. And we're going to do a little bit of trans work. I mean, it is a Dodge. It pulls good and all that, just not shifting down. You gotta do it manually. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. No, the Super Duty ain't gone. I just want to clickbait y'all a little bit. But if you like this video and other videos, go watch my other videos too, guys. Hit the like button. If you ain't already, hit that sub button. I'm about to go rip it up in this old truck right here, boys. Telling you, this is a beast. Look at there, look at there. Whole 3.9 liter EL5 V6. That's running on 2. Actually, it runs pretty good. But hit that like button, subscribe, guys. See y'all next time.